gentlemen, the rice is back. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the rice is going to be making a return today, not like it ever really left this channel actually. If you guys remember, a while ago I did a video where we ended up putting a completely JDM spec Ken Block turbo kit on the family's NA PT Cruiser. It's a SRT-4 JDM Ken Block turbocharger kit for the PT Cruiser. That was a lot of fun, and it sounded oh, real nice, real nice. Completely JDM, you know what I'm saying? JDM stuff. Kind of on a high level you might not understand. You know, it's everybody like that JDM stuff, you know, that's the JDM's what's getting the views, you know what I'm saying? So you know I've hinted around for a while that there's some big plans in the future for the PT GT, a lot of stuff that I want to do to this car, and you know what? Today it's finally gonna happen. I would like to introduce to you guys the first ever, or at least that I know of, twin turbo SRT-4 PT Cruiser. We have this custom JDM spec Nissan Skyline R35 turbo kit. And we're going to be adapting onto the current turbo setup, and it's going to be making like 35 pounds of boost, and it's going to make like 800 horsepower. It's going to be awesome. Let's what am I even saying? Let's just go do this. As you can see, it's a complete eBay bolt-on kit. Just enhances the stock turbo sound very nicely.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So let me give you guys my in-depth review on this turbo kit. You know, this turbo kit automatically gets rid of the governor. So you know, before I could top out at 55 miles an hour. Now whenever I cross the border into Mexico, it automatically removes my governor, and we can do like 185 miles an hour. You know, in a PT Cruiser, we can be racing the Lamborghinis and stuff out there in Mexico. To be perfectly honest, it actually kind of sounds like a belt is slipping from inside the car. Oh, that's funny. Alright guys, I hate to cut this short, but gotta park this before we get in too much trouble. You know, it's just got too much power. You know, 800 wheel is too much for the street. Well guys, I guess that's all I have for the Ricer segment of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you think the Ricer videos are fun. I think they're fun to make. Just mess around with whatever. Today we got the turbo whistle back out. Let me know if in the future you'd like to see more Ricer videos, and give me some ideas on what I should do. Like if there's some stupid little thing that I should try out and try putting on the car, or testing out or whatever. But before we end this video, I want to give you guys a quick little update on what's going on. Mainly with this car, the PT Cruiser GT. Last video I posted, I was attempting to install an oil filter sandwich plate. This little dude right here. I was using it to wire up an oil pressure gauge, and that was the oil pressure sending unit. But obviously, if you guys watched that video, you know that it didn't end up working. I had to mess around with it a lot, and when it was all said and done, I couldn't really find a good way to position the sensor up under there, so it was hanging down way too low. Just wasn't a good idea, and also the gauge itself didn't work. I think it was a ground issue, but it wasn't working out very well, and you guys in the comments confirmed that it was probably best to just scrap that idea, so I ended up taking the plate back off. So I think I'm going to be going through and we'll do a full video on that. Do I have anything else to say? I don't think I do. I think that's all I wanted to update you guys on. So anyways, thanks for watching this quick little channel C.G.E video. Again, be sure and smack the thumbs up button if you enjoy the racer style videos. I think it's good for us car enthusiasts and whatever, just to chill out for a minute and laugh at something stupid like a turbo whistle, you know, just have some fun. So again, be sure and smack the thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Comment down below if you have any ideas for future racers type videos or whatever, you know, just some funny ideas for me to do videos in the future. And you know, stay tuned for a lot more on the PT GT, and you know, the S10 is still a thing. We'll talk more about that in another video. But anyways guys, thanks again for watching. You rock. God bless, and I will see you in the next one.